Hello, welcome to Node.js Developer Series. To start the series off, we're just going to start by compiling Node from source. This video is going to demonstrate how you download the latest Node.js version and just go ahead and compile it from the source code so you make sure you have the latest, greatest Node.js version. To do that, I'm using Linux Mint, which is basically the same as Ubuntu Linux. It's based on Debian. I'm going to use a package manager called apt-get. If you're familiar with Linux, you've probably been exposed to some sort of package manager before. These are dependencies. These are a couple of packages that are required to build something, specifically Node.js source code, into its executable file. We're going to need this package, buildessl, openssl, a developer package for SSL, and I should know what this package is, but I don't. We're going to need to grab those first before we build from source. So to do that, I'll put this into the video description as well, but just run sudo apt-get install and then paste in our packages that we want. I'm just going to do tac y. That means just go ahead and say yes, go ahead and install these packages. Again, the packages that we're installing are buildessl, openssl, libssl developer, and pkg-config. And then we just want to say yes, go ahead and install these. We don't want to say confirm each of these along the way. So I'm going to do that. It probably already has all these packages on this box. So I'm just downloading those packages. The next thing we're going to do once we have all our dependencies is we're going to go get the source code for Node.js. Just go to nodejs.org and then go to the downloads section. And if you scroll down, you'll see an area that says source code. And I guess the current version is Node 4.0. They just recently updated it. You can right click on that, say copy link address. And so we're just going to grab the link of that source code. And then I'm going to use a program called wget, which will download that file. And I paste in the link location I just copied. I go ahead and download that. That'll download the latest Node.js tarball of source code. To extract it, we use tar. The options we use are -x for extract, F for file, V for verbose, just so you can see things logging, and Z because it's a .gz, it's a compressed file, and then just the name of your file. Okay. I think there's an order. I had to do zip before file. File has to be the final option, I believe. And then this file that you're choosing follows that option. So extract, a zip file, verbose will list all of it as it's extracting, and then the file we're choosing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and navigate into that folder, and then I simply run /configure and make and sudo make install. That's actually 3 commands. We're configuring, then we're making, and then we're actually running the install. I've already done this. It will take a while to actually compile the source code into the package executable binary. But once you're done, you should just be able to say node, and it'll drop you right into a REPL, which is what this is called, I believe. It's an idle. There's different names for it, but basically you can type JavaScript right in here. All right, and so that is how you install Node from source. This is often the way I do it for all my deployment situations. You always have the latest version that way, and works perfectly for your computer because it was built and compiled exactly on your system there. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this was helpful to someone trying to get started with Node.js. Thank you.